Date night should be quick and easy.
Wait, what?
Not literally, Sean, but date night dinner should be quick and easy and delicious, and I've got the perfect thing for you to make at home for your special loved one. This lobster ravioli comes together. This lobster ravioli comes together in literally minutes. Sean, how fast was this one?
5 minutes.
I know, seriously, it's the fastest, quickest, but most gorgeous date night dinner for your loved one. So let me show you how to make this on your Blackstone. You're gonna love it. This is one of those dinners off the Blackstone that is simple yet sexy and special, and you only need a handful of ingredients, which is how I like to roll. We slice 1 large shallot, and since it's date night, we'll only slice 1 fresh garlic clove to be nice. I've got this giant cold water lobster tail. It's dinner for 2, so we split this in half using shears to cut the shell along the top and the bottom. Then use a knife to cut the meat. And you want to pull this meat loose from the shell, but keeping it attached, so leave the bottom piece of the meat in the shell. This gives me 2 split lobster tails. Easy peasy prep work before heading outside to our Blackstone. I'm using Rana's Lobster Ravioli and a good brand of Alfredo sauce to make this dinner quick and easy. Into a small pot, I'm adding unsalted butter, 2 garlic cloves, smashed, and then some Old Bay seasoning. A drizzle of EVOO, or extra virgin olive oil, then on to the griddle to hang out and melt down. Onto medium heat, we mix EVOO and butter, then add our shallots and grape tomatoes. Seasoning with pink Himalayan sea salt. Remember, this is a quick cook, so we're moving fast here. Down goes our lobster raviolis. These are fresh, so no need to boil them. A little more oil over these, then with the help of the dome, which is a tight fit here, it holds the steam in. Now, as these tomatoes cook down, they start to burst open, releasing their juices, which is going to give us some more liquid, creating even more steam. So these raviolis are going to cook perfectly. Jumping over to our melted butter concoction, a ladle full onto the griddle for our lobster tails to sear in meat side down for about 2 to 3 quick minutes. We grab that sliced garlic and add it to the raviolis, then give our tails a flip and a big generous ladle of our garlicky Old Bay butter. The shells are going to hold that butter in, so these will finish cooking in the butter bath for another few minutes. The rest of the butter goes over the sliced garlic, helping this to fry up just for a hot second. Then mix everything throughout our ravioli. A little black pepper for seasoning. Grab our Alfredo sauce. You want to be sure to go for a good brand if you aren't making your own. The second that hits the griddle and marries with the tomatoes, the smell is intoxicating. Oh, I just crave this dish. I love making it for people. You just have to go over to my Instagram and watch how Sean, the camera guy, reacts to tasting this dish. It makes me so happy. Give that a couple of minutes to finish, adding some flat leaf Italian parsley. You can use a dome to help your lobster steam through if it's freezing cold like it is here, with a little squirt of water to create even more steam. We've got Belgioso grated Parmesan cheese all over the top, which gets this so nice and creamy. Then we plate this up for 2. We're looking for good presentation here since this is date night, with our lobster tails on top of this ravioli. We'll finish with a post-us of Old Bay, some more Parmesan cheese because you can never have too much, a little extra parsley, and this is ready to enjoy with someone special. I cannot believe how fast this comes together on a griddle. You guys have to try it and make it and let me see, because you know I love drooling over all of the recipe remakes that you make from us at Blackstone. Until next time, I'm Blackstone Betty. I cannot wait for you to taste this because I just know you're gonna love it. It's so good.